Hi friends, good evening everybody. The purpose of making this video maybe is not that important, but I feel to convey few things. If you recall that 20th March 2020, the lockdown was declared due to COVID. We have completed almost 1 year and it is almost virtual lockdown. There is no much activities in terms of work, in terms of office activities, normal business activities, normal life also has been disrupted due to COVID. But after 1 year, almost one financial year that is gone due to COVID, there are so much fearing news that is appearing that COVID is spreading like anything. But now vaccine that is also is in place. People are being vaccinated till there is fear. There are few questions that is remain unclear to us. There is no scientific data that suggests the total number of deaths caused due to COVID for last 1 year. But if you see the 20-year statistical data, the death rate of India, that is the total population, if I say official population 132 crores, and the normal death rate is right 7.5 to 8 in 1000 population. If you calculate the total number of deaths throughout the year in a population of 132 crores, the death will be close to 8 to 10 crores. Those are total deaths. Where is data to suggest that from 2020 March to 2021 March, the total number of deaths close to 8 to 10 crores. Out of that, what is the total number of deaths that is caused due to COVID? It is very simple to analyze this data. If the deaths number is been increased due to COVID, the total death will be more than 10 crores, including the normal natural death or caused to accident, fever or any other disease. No state government. It is very easy to provide those data and bring into public domain that this is the number of deaths. Instead of doing that, what you are doing, the entire media, political system, political leader day in day out coming to TV news channel giving advertisement to take care everything, that is all fine. But the real question is unclear. What are the precautionary measurement all are taking? Whether it is important to spend advertisement and giving awareness through advertisement. Political leader, minutes after minutes, every 5 minutes you will see advertisement on private and government news channels, Doordarshan and everywhere. Instead of doing that, if we can use this money in development of infrastructure for the COVID patient, that would be much better. Everybody is talking about there is a shortage of oxygen in all hospitals. Rather than building the infrastructure, we are all blaming central government to give oxygen to each hospital. We must remember the role of central government is to monitor and manage certain things. There are also role from state government to develop the local infrastructure. Just one example, a moderate CO2 plant can be developed in each hospital just by spending 40 to 50 lakhs rupees, and that is good enough to produce this much oxygen to give to the patients, and this infrastructure can be built up within 2 to 3 months time. If each state government is not capable to do that, they can bring army like emergency, and they can help to develop such kind of infrastructure, because those are the things or the need of the hour. Rather than doing, we are just simply doing the blame game. That is not correct. Number two, the kind of money we are spending on advertisement. If you see the private channels, all state government, they are giving advertisement to various private channel that tuning to crores of rupees. I personally think that is not required at all. That money can be diverted and utilized for the infrastructure development. Number three point, in India there are few pharmaceutical company like Dr. Reddy's Laboratory, Serum Institute of India. They are the vaccine manufacturer. Bharat Biotech, there are few, two or three manufacturing companies. They are given license to produce vaccine. Now the question is, if you have to vaccinate 132 crores population in a short span of time, you need to have enough vaccine that is ready. So it would be ideal that government needs to give financial assistance those pharmaceutical company so that their capacity can be increased, manufacturing capacities can be increased by many folds, or those company can have also tie up with small pharmaceutical companies. They work, they can work as a kind of a OEM, like Glaxo, they do it. Like Glaxo, they have so many products, but if you really see in their manufacturing product list, they have many products, they outsource it from various companies. So what essentially in India those companies can do it, like Bharat Biotech, Dr. Reddy's Laboratory, or Serum Institute, they can have partnership with small pharmaceutical company who are not having the license but they have the infrastructure. In that way, the manufacturing capacity can be increased in many folds. Only the quality, the manufacturing protocol that can be monitored through different agencies, whoever it is. It can be WHO, it can be FDA, or any other licensing authority. That protocol can be maintained. Those are few things probably I personally feel is very important and essential when you are dealing with a population of 132 crores, that is the official population, and India, you can add another 10-15 crores population. So it is close to 140-45 crores total population. If you see, they have to be vaccinated. The fourth point, the students who are facing challenges in their academic career, both ICSE, CBSE board, or any state board, medical, and other entrance exam. What about their future? Government might have told or postponed the exam for certain time, but definitely complete academic year it cannot be lapsed. Probably a simplistic solution, they can be evaluated. Each student can be evaluated based on their 10th or 11th or 12th standard school exams. They can be given the marks based on those criteria. Now the question is for the higher education, how they will be evaluated. That is a better challenge or greater challenge, I personally feel. For that purpose, maybe based on the interest of the student, whoever, whatever subject they want to pursue it, each institute can conduct their internal entrance, and on that basis they can be selected. Like many institute, they conduct their internal entrance, like JNU, IIT, ISC Bangalore, TIFR. So why not, if you pass everybody based on the application and their interest, let them face the exam or entrance for their specific subject, what they want to pursue it. Otherwise, it is very, very difficult to give up one complete academic year, and that cannot be a good idea. The fifth and final point, this is a kind of a situation which is very, very difficult to imagine, and their cascade effect. We as an Indian, we have to respect, or we have to obey the rules and regulation, whatever given by the government, whatever given by the expert. Until or unless we follow the rules, it would be very, very difficult to control this pandemic, control coronavirus. Otherwise, disease will be spread like anything. And my final hope, let's not the politician fight with each other, because everyone has got life. Once they go to heaven, there is nothing, absolutely, there is no corona. But as long as you are in this Mother Earth, rather than fighting, please collectively work together so that the common people, everyone can be saved. Each life saving is important. and each politician is going to be blessed for that, for their good act, and this fighting will lead to nowhere. Once again, thank you very much. We are all common people, we are suffering every day and day out. We are simply again locked at home without doing any work, without doing any exercise. We really do not know what to do, what not to do. So please see to it that each patient, whoever is affected with corona, get the minimum basic things like oxygen, whatever medicine, and the vaccination. And the vaccination process has to be channelized such a way so that 132 crore population can be vaccinated in a certain time frame, and their capacity building and everything has to be in place. So in that purpose, probably we have to divert a lot of money into these healthcare facilities. The unnecessary money spending has to be stopped, both in personal life, professional life, and also from the government side. Otherwise, things will be out of control. So, common people, they do not have anything, any substantial thing to do it. Only government, based on their instruction, we can work. The system can work. Administration can work. Industry can work. There is no any other alternative than or moving towards the solving the this pandemic. Once again, thank you very much. This is not a prepared speech at all. I have conveyed what I have to convey. Thank you very much. Thanks, everybody. Good night.